Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dimas Putra Syahningrat. I'm from Elektronika 7B. Uh, this is the last project my friend design solar panel as a source of electrical energy solar street lighting. Background: solar panel are tools consisting of solar cell that convert light into electricity. Called solar or sun because the sun is the strong source of light that can be utilized. Solar panels are often called photovoltaic cell. Photovoltaic can be in, interpreted as electric light. Solar cells rely on photovoltaic effect to absorb energy. In general, a solar cell is a semiconductor expanse that can absorb photon from sunlight and convert them into electricity. These, sol- these solar cells are from very small piece of silicon coated with special chemical to form the basis of the solar cell. Problem formulation. Based on the background above, the problem rests in this final task in is making solar panel and electrical energy source for garden street lighting (PGT) by utilizing sunlight. Purpose: the purpose of making this final task is to make solar panel as a source of electrical energy lens. Benefit: the benefit of writing this final task are: number one, gain, knowledge, gain knowledge that support expertise in solar panel design. Number two, produce electrical energy source for garden street lighting. Chapter 2, library overview. Solar panel. Solar panel are tools consisting of solar cell, a device or component that can convert sunlight into electrical energy using the principle of photovoltaic effect. Benefit of solar panel. Very many benefit of solar panel in addition to not require fuel or source panel of source panel and solar panel can also be installed anywhere or move. The solar panel that the author will create will serve as an electrical energy source at 50 watt PGT. Solar cell. Solar cell are p-n junction of single crystalline silicon. By using photoelectric effect of semiconductor material, solar cell can directly convert sunlight into direct electricity or DC. Solar cell type. Solar cell type. There are two types of solar cell named polycrystalline and monocrystalline. In this study, the authors choose monocrystalline solar cell as the main material. In addition to the cheaper price of solar cell, this type can also remain stable in high temperature conditions so as not to decrease its performance. Working principle of solar cell. When solar cells are exposed to sunlight, so-called electrons and holes arise. The electron and holes that rise around the p-n junction move in a row toward the n layer and toward the p layer. So when the electrons and holes cross the p-n junction, there are potential difference at both ends of the solar cell. If at both ends of the solar cell is given a load, then there is an electric current that flows through the load. Next, dioda. Dioda are active particles that are semiconductor with junction arrangement p-n, positive and negative. Dioda have the properties to conduct electric current at advanced voltage as well as inhibiting the need for electricity at the reverse voltage. Dioda Scotchi. Dioda Scotchi is a type dioda with a low drop voltage when compared to other normal diodes. The most basic difference between dioda Scotch and normal diode is the use of metal semiconductor junction for dioda Scotch junction, while normal diode general use semiconduction junction. In the solar panel is equipped with Scotch diode B16445 as a protection of backflow from batteries that have been charged at the time and solar panel produce electrical energy. This conduction will occur at night when the solar panel does not produce electrical energy, which will cause problem in the solar panel when there is a backflow from the batteries due to different voltage and also to Judas Scott as bypass in the solar cell when exposed to sunlight when not optimal or covered in shadow. Next, resin. Resin is a polymer chemical compound, uh, a, a combination of monomers consisting of carbon and nitrogen element. Resin can be from nature or from natural commonly called plant shape. This understanding is explained the same Wikipedia, but resin but resin can also be in the synthetic artificial artificial by reacting some compound in the laboratory or an industry to form polymer resin. Method: research design. The stage of research that will be done to solve the problem formulation are: number one, making mechanical design of solar panel. Number two, design solar panel electronic circuit. Number three, testing tool and data analysis. Number four, applying the tool on PJTTS lamp. General description. This is the system design or modeling of this final project proposal outline the entire process and part of the tool. The overall design aims as a reference of as a reference for the creation of tools in order to be realized. It is illustrated in the block diagram in the drawing, where it can be explained that this system obtains a power source from solar panel that utilizes solar energy. Then the resulting power source becomes the input voltage for the charge control circuit. The output voltage of the charge control circuit is used battery charging setting. Then from the charger controller circuit that become in output from the LED driver, which that which then the output of the LED driver becomes input to the set the LED light. Electronic circuit design. Electronic frame of solar panel to be made is solar cell as the main material will be connected in series with a total of 16 pieces with array 4 times 4 and will be coated with glass and protected by aluminum frame. Installation of solar cell in series intends that the voltage generated by the solar panel will be enough to turn on the PGT lamp with a set time, and also that the diode as protection of black flow from batteries. Mechanical design of solar panel describe the mechanical frame of the solar panel to be installed on the PGT lamp. Okay, last estimate cost uh, 6 komponen. 6 komponen. Number one, solar cell, 20 piece. Number two, frame aluminum, 1 piece. Number three, resin, 2 piece. Number four, resistor, 5 piece. Number five, tubing wire, 6 piece. And number six, dioda, 1 6. And the totally estimate cost 6,100 rupees. And thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.